Welcome to Parking Management System. Let's start with registration flow, which is common for all users. First, user will enter phone number. We used Firebase Phone Authentication to send and verify OTP. Let's try to enter wrong OTP. Oops, it's failed. Let's enter correct OTP. Yes, it's worked with correct OTP. Now user needs to enter username. That's it for registration flow. In our parking management system, first landowner needs to register their land with us to allow parking on that. Let's check it. In first step, landowner will enter basic details of land. Then after landowner need to upload photos of all 4 directions. Now, landowner has to select location of land on the map. After location selection, Geolocator API will fetch address details and populate it automatically. Lastly, landowner needs to enter pricing of their land for 4-wheelers and 2-wheelers. Price will be modified automatically based on parking space availability. Now the audit request of land goes to the auditor. After requesting, landowner can edit the land. But for that, first landowner needs to cancel current request and then needs to edit the land to resend request. Landowner can view their land details also. In this tab, landowner can see their earning details. We will show you this in details after booking. Now, let's start with Auditor's app, in which auditor can approve or reject that land. For that, first auditor will assign some lands to him. Here, auditor can see land details. Now auditor will go to that place and he will verify all details. Based on that he can approve or reject the land. For reject, reason need to be added compulsory. For now let's approve it. Auditor can see past audit requests and can edit comments also. That's it for Auditors app. Let's start Public app, in which people can book parking slot. First, user needs to register their vehicle and needs to give some details of it. Then user needs to select date and time of booking. We have validation for end time, so user cannot put wrong detail there. Now, based on slot details, available lands will be shown up in the map. User can choose land and compare prices by selecting marker on map. Now user don't have sufficient balance in wallet, so it will show error and user need to add some amount into wallet. Now user can book their slot. User can view their booking details, and a QR code will be generated also, which needs to be scanned on parking plot. That's it for Public app. Now people will go for parking, and service person needs to validate their parking. Let's check that flow. When service person logs into the R app first time, he needs to select a land on which he gives service. To manage booking efficiently, service person can filter booking list and see details of bookings. When person comes for parking, he will show QR code, and service person will scan it to fetch booking details such as vehicle type, booking time, etc. Now, service person can allow or deny also in case of any wrong detail found. We also manage that if user tried to use same QR code, then it will show error and service person needs to deny him. Service person can also see status of booking. That's it for service person flow. Now, let's check Landowners app after a few bookings. At home page, landowner can see some details of their active land like current month earning, total earning and current available space on land. Now in Earning tab, we can see total earnings of all lands and current balance of his account. He also can see earnings of last 5 months. Now, if he want, then he can redeem some amount from his balance. That's it all about parking management system. Thank you.